Hi besties, welcome back. Today we're in the kitchen once more. I'll be making a variety of fruit sorbets and this is going to be awesome for your kids this summer, so stay tuned, keep on watching. Alright, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like it. I'm going to be making it in the processor and the blender just to give you option and to tell you which one makes it better. Alright, so to start off, we're making a simple syrup. Quite easy, just a little water, some sugar, and we're gonna let it simmer down a little bit until it has like a slight thickness. Then we're gonna set it to cool, and that's what we're gonna use as a sweetener for our sorbet. If you don't want any sugar at all, go ahead and skip this step. Alright, I'm gonna add my water and the sugar. See, we just allow the water to just slightly boil until the sugar is dissolved. Alright, there we go. It's been a minute on the stove. So the first one that we're going to make is mango and strawberry. I have some frozen mango, frozen strawberries. Next, I'm gonna add a hint of lemon juice or lime juice, whichever one you have. Don't want to add too much until I taste it. The syrup. Just add the simple syrup according to how sweet you want it. Alright. I'm gonna taste it to see if it needs more. It's still not blended out as smooth as I want it to be. Amazing. This tastes so good. Doesn't need any more syrup. It has a nice perfect sweetness, not overly sweet. This should be good. Yeah, oh yeah, this is perfect. Let me bring it closer. There we go, baby. This is so smooth and it has the perfect flavor. Perfect flavor. So we're gonna put these to freeze for a few hours. And we're gonna move on to the next one. For the next one, we have a variety of berries. We have blackberry, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Frozen. Let's add some of my blender. Is not brand new, so I don't want to put the berries first. I don't know how sharp my blade is, so let's add some of that simple syrup first. Some lemon, the best thing to do when you're making these is to just add a little as you go, a little of the syrup, a little of the lemon, just so that you can have your perfect flavor, because what is okay to me may not be okay to you. All right, maybe it's too sweet for you and it's not too sweet for me, just saying. So I start blending it slow on number one, and then I pump up the speed, and now I'm doing it at number 3. The thing with this one, you know, the raspberry and the blackberry has the seeds. I don't want that in my sorbet, so I'm just running it through this strainer. So that's the only issue with this one, but the taste is worth the work. See, it's now nice and smooth. So that's it. Look at that. Smooth. No seed in your mouth. Now for this one, it's mango, pineapples, strawberries, and peach. All frozen. Add all the fruits. Some more juice, lemon juice, and a little syrup. Nice and smooth. Now for the last one, this mango is coming straight out of jam down. Yes, straight from Dongayard. Most of you can tell from the look of it, it's an East Indian mango. It is still so fresh and tastes really good. Very sweet mango. I added my lemon juice as normal, and I add just a small amount of the syrup. Honestly, it really didn't need any. The mango was so sweet, and we're gonna go ahead and blend that up. When it comes on to the blender and the processor, as I mentioned in the beginning, I'm using both of them just to give you option. If you have a processor, I would advise you to use it instead of the blender. If you don't have a processor, the blender is fine. It's just that the blender takes a little longer for it to be smooth. All right, so if you're using the blender, start off really slow on the lowest setting, and then you pump up the setting to high speed until it is smooth. All right, it just takes a little bit longer, but it works just the same. I left back a little of this in the processor for me to eat because it was so good, and then I put them in the freezer. This is like 3 hours later, and I'm going to scoop it out. I couldn't find my ice cream scoop, so I'll be using a spoon, and I'm going to present it as best as I can for you guys. This is going to be perfect for your kids in summer. If you're having a little party over this summer, don't have that party without these sorbets because they are amazing. They taste delicious. The fruit combos that I used, they are perfect. So now I am laying them out from my most favorite to my least. So my favorite one was that East Indian one from Jamaica, and then the mango and the strawberry is my second favorite, and this my third one is the straight berries, and then this one was the pineapple, mango, peach, strawberries. So go ahead and give them a try and let me know in the comment section because I know you're going to enjoy these, and I can't wait for my grandbaby to grow up and I can give her these delicious recipes. Thank you all so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.